Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix Game of Thrones Kingsroad game crashing or crashes at startup on Android phones. So here follow the fixes. The first fix is to clear the cache and data of the Game of Thrones Kingsroad app. So tap and hold the Game of Thrones Kingsroad app icon, then click on app info, then tap on force stop and again tap on force stop to confirm it. Next, tap on storage usage, click on clear cache and confirm it, then also click on clear data, but clearing the app data will delete the app data including files and settings permanently. So if you agree, tap on delete to confirm it, then go back, tap on battery usage, check mark the first option allow background activity, and then again click on allow to confirm, then go back. Now change the internet connection. If you're connected to Wi-Fi, then switch to mobile data, and if you're connected to mobile data, then switch to Wi-Fi, and then you can go back, launch the game and check. Now if still your problem is not solved, then as an alternative just uninstall Game of Thrones Kingsroad app and then reinstall it. So tap and hold the Game of Thrones Kingsroad app icon, then click on uninstall and then again tap on uninstall to confirm it, and then just restart your device and then reinstall the game and then check. So I hope by following these fixes you can easily solve Game of Thrones Kingsroad game crashing or crashes at startup on Android devices. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.